In this video, I'm going to share with you about the admission. I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how you can apply for admission and give you some tips on what to do to get admission at this university. So ensure that you watch this video till the end. Don't miss it for anything. In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Promise Breno. I live in Poland. I'm a business consultant and also a foreign admission expert. I'm here to help you. I've made a couple of videos already on my channel about jobs that you can use to move to Poland and also other opportunities on my channel. If you desire to move out of your home country or out of your present location into better places, let's say Europe, Canada, and so on, then this is the right channel for you. Ensure you are subscribed to this channel because subscribing to this channel will be of benefit to you as I drop videos about opportunities on my channel every week. So ensure you're subscribed and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of these videos. Hey, listen, I've been there and I know how it feels like when you desire opportunities and how to move out of where you are and you don't find them or you don't know how to do it. Previously, I shared a video about the University of Luxembourg being a free tuition university, and this is according to this report here. The University of Luxembourg charges no tuition fees for domestic or international students. Students are only required to pay an enrollment fee of between 200 and 400 euros at the beginning of each semester. You can find other information that claims that Luxembourg charges tuition fees. But whatever is the case, it is still cheap to study at the University of Luxembourg. If you haven't liked this video, please kindly click on the like button to support this channel. The first step to apply for admission is to choose a study program. Second step, you need to check your eligibility criteria. Third step, you need to prepare the required document. Fourth step, you need to create an account on their platform. And the fifth step, you need to complete your application and pay the application fee. Then the sixth step, you need to submit your application online. And for the seventh step, your application will be processed. Let me take you through step number one to show you the kind of programs that are available, okay, and guide you and just give you some tips. In choosing a program, you click on this place. By the way, I'm going to put the links, important links in the description that is under this video. So ensure that you go there and check on under the video after watching this video. Okay, so first of all, you need to watch the video, all right, with a calm mind to understand the whole thing. Then after, you go under the video, okay, to click on the important links. Then you will start following the things you've learned from the video. So if you don't understand anything, maybe you miss a step, you can refer back to the video. I'm just giving you a tip for success. All right, now you can choose up to 3 programs. First, you need to choose a study program you want to apply for. You can apply for up to 3 programs. Now let's explore the bachelor and master's programs available at this university. So first of all, we're going to look at the bachelor's programs. Bachelors at the Faculty of Law. We have bachelors at the Faculty of Humanities, Education and Social Sciences, even bachelors of Medicine, and different programs here. So in order to check and know if the kind of program you're looking for is here, just click on the link in the description of this video. We also have a wide range of master's programs. For example, we have Masters in Space Technologies and Business. We have International Master of Science in Biomedicine. We have other master's programs, okay? For more information, click on the link in the description under this video, all right? Now, let's look at one of the programs, or let's use one of the programs so that I will explain to you what to do, how to apply, and the things you need to know. Let's explore the Master in European and International Tax Law so that we can find out how to know the requirements and other information. So this is the official page of the program, okay? It is a 2-year master's program, which is 4 semesters. The fees is 200 euros per semester, which is not much compared to lots of universities or compared to some universities in Europe. Students of the Master in European and International Tax Law are invited to apply for the Athos Foundation Scholarship. So this is one of the scholarships. It is very important for you to know the kind of scholarship that is applicable to the program you are applying for. For this particular program, it is the Athos Foundation Scholarship. There are details about the scholarship. Just make sure that you always read more to explore, to know the right things to do. As you can see, it is one of the scholarships here. So you need to just come here and click on it and familiarize yourself with the scholarship and know how to apply. Okay, now for this program, what is the criteria? Okay, what are the things that they require from you for admission? You can find that information when you come to the requirements. Okay, when you come to the requirements, you need to read these things extensively and know what they are requesting from you in order to apply for admission. For this program, they need both English and French proficiency. There are other programs where you can apply if you don't speak French. I'm just using this as an example to show you how you can go about it when you are choosing a program and what are the important things you need to take note, okay, in order to apply for a program. Like for example, you need to know the fees, if you can pay the fees. You need to find out the requirements. You need to find out if that program is offering scholarship and how can you apply for that scholarship. You need to find out all these information. So you need to know what are the requirements for the scholarship application so that you can prepare these things beforehand. One important thing you need to know is that application for international student has already started. It started on the 1st of February 2024 and the deadline is the 30th of April 2024. So ensure that you apply on time. Remember that the link to finding a bachelor or master's degree program is in the description under this video. Okay, from my own experience, when applying for a program, you need to write a motivation letter. Okay, just inquire to know the things that they require for the program so that you stand a higher chance of getting admitted to that program. And also you need a CV and other documents, for example, your degree certificate or high school certificate and transcripts, or university certificate and transcripts. Just make sure that you read the requirements so that you know the things to upload. When you go to the application system, you will see those things that you need to upload on the system. Now, what you've just done here is step 1 for you to apply for a scholarship. Everything here is step 1. It gets you closer and closer to the scholarship. Alright guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this video? What are the questions you have? Okay, remember that you can talk to me one-on-one. If you want to talk to me one-on-one, the link is in the description under this video. If you need further guidance on how to apply for this scholarship, you want me to guide you personally, you want me to take your matter on my head, right, personally, then you can contact me. All right, you can do that by booking. All right, click on the link in the description under this video, then book for a one-on-one consultation. Right after you've done that, take a screenshot of your booking, contact me on either Instagram or Facebook, then we can plan to have a one-on-one conversation and I can guide you. I can tailor my advice to your own immigration need. All right, and also if you need help in creating a CV, if you want to create a CV, a European standard CV or cover letter, the links are in the description under this video. So we have the first one is you want to create a CV, right, and you need help. Or you want to kind of upgrade your CV to the European standard. The link is in the description under this video. Then if you need both CV and cover letter together, you need help in creating a motivational letter. You want us to make a standard motivational letter for you, a European standard motivational letter and CV for you. The link is also in the description under this video. So click on the link, do the needful, take a screenshot and contact us on either Instagram or Facebook with a screenshot. If you liked that video you just watched, please give me a thumb up on this video and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop content. And if you have any question, please put the comment section below, Okay, till I come your way again, have a great time. See you in my next video.